Hello and welcome. Get ready for 30 remarkable challenges designed to showcase your expertise. What causes a rainbow to appear in the sky? Moonlight in clouds. Street lights in fog. Sunlight in raindrops. The correct answer is sunlight in raindrops. Here's a nugget of wisdom. Rainbows are formed when sunlight shines through water droplets. How many main colors are there in a rainbow? 5, 10, 7. The correct answer is 7. Here's an interesting fact. The 7 traditional colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, rojbin. Which color is always on the outside edge of a primary rainbow? Green, violet, red. The correct answer is red. Fun fact, red has the longest wavelength and bends the least, so it's on the outer edge. Which color is always on the inside edge of a primary rainbow? Red, yellow, violet. The correct answer is violet. Here's something cool. Violet has the shortest wavelength and bends the most, so it's on the inner edge. What shape is a rainbow actually? A straight line, a half circle, a full circle. The correct answer is a full circle. Let's learn something new. From a high vantage point like an airplane, a rainbow can be seen as a full circle. What is the scientific term for light bending as it passes through water droplets? Reflection, absorption, refraction. The correct answer is refraction. Let's learn something new. Refraction is the bending of light as it passes from one medium to another. What do you need to see a rainbow? Sun in front of you and rain behind. No sun at all. Sun behind you and rain in front. The correct answer is sun behind you and rain in front. Knowledge boost. The sun's light must shine on the raindrops from behind you. Can you ever reach the end of a rainbow? Yes. Sometimes. No. The correct answer is no. Surprising trivia, a rainbow is an optical illusion and doesn't have a physical endpoint. What is a double rainbow? A very bright single rainbow. A rainbow with extra colors. 2 rainbows seen together. The correct answer is 2 rainbows seen together. Let's learn something new. A double rainbow happens when light is reflected twice inside the raindrops, creating a fainter second bow. In a double rainbow, which color is on the outside of the second bow? Red, green, violet. The correct answer is violet. Let's learn something new. The colors in a secondary rainbow are reversed so violet is on the outside. Can you see a rainbow at night? No, never. Only with special glasses. Yes, a moonbow. The correct answer is yes, a moonbow. Impress your friends with this fact: a moonbow is a rainbow caused by moonlight and is much fainter than a sunbow. What is the name of the light that we cannot see but is part of the rainbow spectrum? X-rays, radio waves, infrared and ultraviolet. The correct answer is infrared and ultraviolet. Here's a nugget of wisdom: beyond red is infrared and beyond violet is ultraviolet light. What is a fogbow? A rainbow in the desert. A rainbow in a clear sky. A rainbow in fog. The correct answer is a rainbow in fog. Here's a nugget of wisdom: a fogbow is similar to a rainbow but formed by very tiny water droplets in fog or mist. What do rainbows often symbolize? Sadness and despair. Anger and storms. Hope and promise. The correct answer is hope and promise. Here's a nugget of wisdom: rainbows have long been seen as symbols of hope, peace, and new beginnings. Which ancient Greek goddess was believed to be the personification of the rainbow? Hera, Aphrodite, Iris. The correct answer is Iris. Fun fact: Iris was the messenger of the gods, often depicted with wings. Can a rainbow be seen in a waterfall spray? No. Only in very large waterfalls. Yes. The correct answer is yes. Let's learn something new. The tiny water droplets in waterfall spray can create mini rainbows. Is it true that every person sees a slightly different rainbow? No. Only if they wear glasses. Yes. The correct answer is yes. Here's an interesting fact: because everyone stands in a slightly different position, the light paths vary for each viewer. What happens to the sunlight when it hits a raindrop to make a rainbow? It turns blue. It disappears. It reflects and refracts. The correct answer is, it reflects and refracts. Fun fact: light enters the raindrop, bends, refracts, reflects off the back and bends again as it leaves. What is the primary factor determining the size of the droplets that form a rainbow? Temperature, wind speed, size of raindrops. The correct answer is size of raindrops. Knowledge boost: larger drops create brighter, more vivid rainbows, smaller drops make fainter ones. What causes the colors of a rainbow to separate? The colors mix together. Gravity. Different wavelengths of light bend differently. The correct answer is, different wavelengths of light bend differently. Impress your friends with this fact. This is called dispersion. Can two people stand side by side and see the exact same rainbow in the sky? Yes. Only if they hold hands. No. The correct answer is no. Did you know? Each person's eye is the center of their own unique rainbow. What is a common myth about rainbows and treasure? They grant wishes. They lead to another world. A pot of gold at the end. The correct answer is, a pot of gold at the end. Here's something cool. Folklore often suggests a pot of gold can be found where a rainbow touches the ground. Can you create your own mini rainbow at home? No, it's too difficult. Only with special equipment. Yes, with a hose or prism. The correct answer is, yes, with a hose or prism. Let's learn something new. A garden hose on a sunny day or a glass prism can create small rainbows. What is the range of colors in a rainbow often called? The gradient. The blend. The spectrum. The correct answer is, the spectrum. A quick fact for you, the spectrum of visible light includes all the colors of the rainbow. What kind of day is best for seeing a rainbow? A completely cloudy day. A very dry day. A day with rain and sunshine. The correct answer is, a day with rain and sunshine. Knowledge boost, you need both light and water droplets. Is a rainbow a physical object? Yes, it's solid. Yes, you can touch it. No, it's an optical phenomenon. The correct answer is, no, it's an optical phenomenon. A quick fact for you, it's a visual effect of light in water. What is the bow shape of a rainbow caused by? The curvature of the earth. The shape of the water droplets. The angle at which light reflects. The correct answer is, the angle at which light reflects. A quick fact for you, light reflects at specific angles around 42 degrees for red. Can rainbows appear in the morning or evening? No. Only at midday. Yes. The correct answer is, yes. Here's a nugget of wisdom, as long as the sun is not too high in the sky and there's rain. What is the rare phenomenon of a rainbow being seen around the moon? Sunbow. Starbow. Moonbow. The correct answer is moonbow. Surprising trivia, moonbows are much rarer and fainter than rainbows. What is the scientific name for the phenomenon that creates a rainbow? Diffusion, diffraction, dispersion. The correct answer is dispersion. Impress your friends with this fact: dispersion is the separation of light into its constituent colors. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll catch you in the next one.